Basically, the Pro version is bigger, beefer version of the standard Watch 5. You can get better battery life, a larger footprint, and essentially all the same features as the standard Watch 5. All of that comes at a price $450 to be exact. It's time to answer the big question. Is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 worth buying? As always, that depends on where you are coming from and the phone you use. However, I will say that Watch 5 is a better choice than the Watch 5 Pro for most people. The Galaxy Watch 5 is easily the closest competitor to the Apple Watch. Samsung has done an impressive job at revealing Apple's great fitness features. It's not quite on the same level, but it's very close. If you want the Apple Watch equivalent on Android, the Watch 5 is your play. If you already have the Galaxy Watch 4, I don't think the Watch 5 is a significant upgrade. You won't notice a ton of improvements compared to the Watch 4. However, Tizen-based Samsung Watch owners will notice a big difference. Google Apps and a much better app ecosystem can't be overstated. Plus, you are not giving up the Samsung features, The Galaxy Watch 5 may not be as flashy as last year's Watch 4, Samsung's long-awaited return to Wear OS. However, this is a super solid, polished, and refined smartwatch. It perfectly blends the line between fitness, companion, and high-class watch. The software experience is very good. Everything is only a couple of swipes away. I never feel like I'm using the watch too long for accomplish something. From the watch face, each direction takes you somewhere different. Quick settings, widgets, apps, and notifications. The biggest problem with Samsung watches before the company switched to Wear OS was lock of apps. That's no longer an issue. You can now download apps and watch face directly from Google Play Store. Bixby and some other Samsung apps are still present, but it's easy to ignore the ones you don't like. Google Assistant can be set as default assistant app and be mapped to long pressing the home button. Samsung Play is locked to long pressing the back button, but you can select Google Wallet by double pressing the home button. Wear OS with one UI is essentially exactly what it sounds like. It's Google, it's Samsung, and they mostly work well together. One of the biggest areas of focus for smartwatches is fitness, and Samsung has a lot to offer. The combination of hardware and software makes the Watch 5 a worthy workout companion. Samsung Health app is much more comprehensive than Google Fit. You can track a huge variety of workouts and activities, record your sleep, measure your heart rate, ECG, steps, blood oxygen, and body composition.